Hey guys, and welcome to the Working Money channel. All right, now I don't remember this glitch. I'm not entirely sure if you guys saw this. These XRP glitches on almost every exchange back in 2020 were crazy. Now, if you guys remember, this was the beginning of the bull run. So I don't know if this has been photoshopped or not. I cannot confirm. Although Zoom here on Twitter generally does bring us some good information. I don't know where he found it from. Binance Exchange, check out these prices. XRP to BTC, $13.8 million per coin. XRP to BUSD, $10.7 million per coin. Again, I cannot confirm that this is real. And again, this was from a few years ago, so this is not recent stuff either. This is just something that, was brought to my attention. Of course, this well before FTX did collapse. You can see the FTX exchange on there. XRP to BTC price at $13.820 million per coin. I'm wondering if we're going to see these same kinds of glitches this time around. Of course, if you guys didn't catch the video I did this morning, we have seen a big market move. And Brandon Biggs, who did predict the Donald Trump incident on the weekend, was predicting a $10,000 XRP. Yes, you are hearing that correctly, a $10,000 XRP. I will link this morning's video up here if you guys didn't see it. Market is still in the green. Very positive day today for cryptocurrencies. The weekend events did have an effect on the crypto market. And as the crypto prices go up, this is going to be positive for a lot of reasons. XRP right now trading in and around 53.4, so a little bit higher than this morning. We did see a nice bump for XRP, which I think has gotten a lot of the XRP community really excited. Like I said, it's just been a grind to the upside over the last couple of years technically. If you want to look at it from June of 2022. The grind, we did see it come down after Bitcoin did retrace. We were trading below this level here if you want to take it from that trend line. Right now, though, XRP edging to get up past the 55-cent mark, but we are seeing a very, very positive move. And, even on the daily, this is the XRP chart on the daily candlestick today looks, very poised to get up above that significant level of support. You can see here XRP forming what I'm hoping is another upward trajectory up here. You can see it's already making higher lows, so we're just waiting for those higher highs right now. But guys, it's a two-prong effect. We know this. Building the infrastructure for the economy. Firstly, it's going to be about the spec market, which pretty much just follows Bitcoin. So, seeing those XRP prices go up in the short term, that's a positive thing. But we don't want to sell all our utility coins right away. I'm thinking I'm going to keep a portion of my XRP. And for more information on what I'm going to be doing exactly, I'm going to tell you exactly how much XRP I'm going to be keeping, how much I'm going to be selling in this rally. You can follow me at patreon.com/workingmoney channel. It is only $5 a month. And it is, kind of an inside look at what I'm doing. I'm sharing all this information with my Patreon subscribers. Probably going to be doing another live Q&A very soon. So if you guys are interested in picking my brain, also you can message me in the DMs. I do respond to everybody at the Patreon. I've been a little busy over the weekend. I went away for the weekend, so I will be catching up on some of those emails shortly for the Patreon subscribers. But again, patreon.com/workingmoneychannel if you're interested. Wanted to bring this up though, because the other part of this, guys, I guess the second prong of the two-prong effect, building the future infrastructure for the global economy, and even Ripple has confirmed this. According to this ad, Ripple did recognize the impact of crypto and blockchain in transforming global financial system operations. These emerging technologies present alternative solutions to traditional financial systems, offering a secure, decentralized, and transparent framework for conducting financial transactions. This was a tweet from a few days ago from XRP Drops. Listen to Ripple's message. Ripple is building the infrastructure. They're not hiding it, guys. They are building the new economy, the future. This is why they've started their own stablecoin project. Well, part of the reason why. Guys, there's so much going on, and it's all leading to success. Listen to this.
Crypto and blockchain are redefining our financial systems. And Ripple, in partnership with all of you, are building the infrastructure for the future of the global economy.
The global economy, guys, it is about the future. Laugh now, but one day XRP will power the world. Remember, Brad Garlinghouse did post this last month. This was just a reminder from Digital Asset Investor. This is going to be big. This is not small potatoes. Even Cypress to Menoncore posted this. The institutional embrace of digital assets is not just a trend. So the big guys are realizing this. And again, this is a policy paper from 2024. The Tokenizers, the who's who in 2024, your guide to the asset tokenization industry. So, they mentioned some, pretty bold statements here. Tokenization, bridging worlds, unlocking potential. With hundreds of trillions of dollars worth of real-world assets waiting to come on chain, it's no wonder that the tokenized asset market is projected to grow to a staggering $10.9 trillion by the year 2030. And I remember when 2030 really felt like a long way away. Guys, it's really not. It's like less than 6 years away. This projection isn't merely indicative of growth. It signals a fundamental transformation in how we perceive and manage assets. Sectors like real estate, debt, private credit, and stocks lead this charge. Yet, despite the vast potential of the tokenized asset market, it remains largely untapped. I mean, that is the outlook from today. But guys, that is going to change. 0.03% of the total market size currently exploited. This low level of market penetration represents a golden opportunity, a chance to be at the vanguard of a sector on the cusp of transformative growth. The tokenization of real-world assets, or RWAs, offers a unique proposition to partake in shaping an industry and to be a pioneer in a space where the rules are yet to be written. Check this out too. The institutional embrace of digital assets is not just a trend, as some people have been saying over the years. It's just a fad. Bitcoin is going to go up. It's going to go down. They like to point out when Bitcoin goes down 70-80%. But they are saying here in this paper, it's a paradigm shift with Bitcoin ETFs catapulting Bitcoin to unprecedented heights. Of course, ETFs, I guess, are a sign, a signal that crypto has been legitimized in the real financial world, I guess we could say. Yet the real linchpin is bridging the established world of TradeFi or TradFi and the burgeoning realm of Web3, and that is the tokenization of real assets. And guys, that's what we're going to see on ledgers like the XRP ledger is one of them. Many other cryptocurrencies that will solve problems are also tokenizing. Algorand's a great project with real-world utility. VeChain's a great project with real-world utility. HBAR, Quant, etc., etc. There are so many different projects out there where we're going to see changes being made. This leap forward isn't without its hurdles, though, such as the fragmented regulatory landscape and challenges in market making and liquidity. But the brightest minds in both TradFi and DeFi are collaboratively navigating these complexities. When we at the INX set out to do the first SEC registered blockchain IPO, we envision exactly this sort of cross-pollination of financial ideals. Looking ahead, we foresee a diversified financial ecosystem where tokenized RWAs, cryptocurrencies, stablecoins, and central bank digital currencies will coalesce. So this is, again, another reason why we're seeing Ripple create their stablecoin. The vision that the companies that are already producing, that they're the ones that are developing, the ones that really understand the real world utility, they see where it's going. They're already partnered up with big companies and big organizations and influential bodies, governmental bodies. So they know where they have to be at a certain point in time. They're already working towards that. Guys, this is why I'm invested in XRP and why you should be too. Again, that's not financial advice, but chances are if you're watching this channel, you already are. Anyway, not just a trend moving into 2030, which again isn't that far away. And sometimes partnerships don't work out. This one from Mac Attack XRP, Ripple has reportedly exited from the Tranglo partnership. I happen to see this, which I thought was kind of interesting. Crypto Eddie, a reputable figure in the XRP community, first called attention to this development in a post today. She cited information from Crunchbase, a trusted platform for business information. According to Crunchbase's recent update, Ripple did exit a couple of partnerships. Okay, Bitstamp, the Bitstamp exchange, and Malaysian payment firm Tranglo. Crypto Eddie suggests that Ripple likely exited Bitstamp due to the impending acquisition by prominent American investment platform Robinhood. However, the reported exit of Tranglo caught the XRP community off guard. Crypto Eddie pointed out that Ripple previously held a substantial 40% stake in the cross-border payment firm, which leveraged XRP for transactions. This created confusion over the reason behind Ripple's exit. As a result, Eddie emphasized the need for further verification from some credible resources. So this is the tweet. I have it up here. Crunchbase updated Ripple investment exits. Okay, she capitalizes exits here. Bitstamp obviously was there, probably because of the Robinhood acquisition, but also she says that she was surprised to see Tranglo. We hadn't heard any information on that. The MoneyGram exit was an obvious one from back in 2020. Bitstamp, Tranglo, though, two interesting ones that we would like some more information on. Adingo ate my XRP did post this. Exits on Crunchbase are when a company you invested in goes public, but this page isn't correct. Tranglo is a private company, so that's an interesting observation here. El Diablo Dictator Know-It-All, he did post this. If I recall, Tranglo is in debt to Ripple and not been paying their fees. Could it be that Tranglo simply just turned out to be a bad investment and Ripple is just getting out before receivers start banging on Tranglo's door? So some other speculation here that I guess we do not have any, real confirmed evidence to kind of solidify these statements. Nevertheless, it is an interesting observation here, and we will be keeping tabs on this. So wanted to thank Crypto Eddie and, of course, MacAttack XRP just for posting that. Guys, another Ripple partner, a biggie, Finastra, has completed a new SIC instant payment readiness project. Check this out. So Finastra, one of the biggies, they've just announced the completion of a Swiss interbank clearing instant payment readiness project, or an SIC, a SIC. Using Finastra's cloud-based service bureau offering, Swiss banks can seamlessly transition to facilitate instant interbanking payments. It is expected that 50 largest banks will be able to facilitate instant interbanking payments in Switzerland and Liechtenstein by August of this year. All active participants in the Swiss customer payment transaction system via SIC will be capable of processing incoming customer payments instantaneously by the end of 2026. Finastra's 24/7 instant payment service already being used by several banks, including real-time sanctions screening and transaction process in seconds. Finastra will continually evolve their service, allowing banks to respond quickly to changing customer demands and needs, industry and regulatory requirements. Finastra, here's a quote, guys. Finastra is helping banks implement instant payments most seamlessly and cost-effectively by using the latest technologies to deliver robust sanction screening and fraud prevention, said Andreas Helbling, country's head of Switzerland financial messaging marketplaces at Finastra. He continues by saying, facilitating connectivity to SIC instant payments and any critical payment infrastructure of this kind reflects our commitment to supporting banks of their broader payment modernization journey, helping them to work in a more agile way and deliver value-added services to customers. I'm finding that a lot of these companies now are not just focusing on the how to make payments, but also how to safeguard these payments in a real secure way. Because, with this shift, this transition to a new financial system, a lot of these companies are, a lot of the legacy banks and financial institutions, they're like, okay, we're cool with the new technology, but how do we implement it in a safe way so that we don't have to worry that the money is going to be lost, et cetera, right? So now we're seeing companies that are, the original biggies that are Ripple enabled, like the Finastras and the Temenoses, and the Temenos is another big one that does this. Finastra, Temenos, ACI Worldwide, the big guys. They are also focused on integrating these payment structures, obviously, first and foremost, but also integrating a securities and fraud component to it as well. Gareth Lodge, principal analyst there, he says banks have a big job on their hands when it comes to ensuring that they are ready for various instant payment deadlines. So they need technology that enables speedy transactions and ensures that they can still deliver a seamless experience and enhance services to customers. Down here, they say that this is all based on the ISO 20022 standard. So, of course, we know Finastra, one of those early companies that was Ripple enabled a long time ago. So, all this stuff, plugging in their clients into this new technology is not going to be a problem. So great news there coming from Finastra. I also happen to see this, guys, from Mike Manfield, another Ripple partner, BNP Paribas. They've just signed a wide-ranging payments deal with Ant International. So Ripple partner BNP Paribas is collaborating with China's Ant International on a range of initiatives to boost cross-border payment services for merchants and customers in Europe. And if I'm not mistaken, Ant International also has a connection to Ripple. Not entirely sure why I remember this, but I believe that they're connected to another company that is Ripple enabled. Anyway, the two sides here have agreed to work together to strengthen World First's participation in the single euro payments area. So the SEPA region, World First Ant International's one-stop digital payment and financial services platform for global businesses will reinforce its participation in SEPA to enable businesses to make online cross-border payments and fund transfers more seamless across the European region. So BNP Paribas has already been a big player in this sector. Here, they'll sponsor World First's participation in the SEPA scheme, providing enterprise and products to expedite its integration and onboarding onto SEPA. In addition, BNP Paribas will also explore innovations in tokenized deposits for global treasury management via Ant's blockchain-based Whale platform. The collaboration aims to improve the efficiency and speed of global payments, global fund settlements through the use of tokenized deposits. Ant International will leverage BNP Paribas' infrastructure, which again is running on the XRP ledger, to further develop its Whale platform platform to improve the efficiency and transparency of fund movement between bank accounts for better global liquidity management. So even for, especially for liquidity, these guys are looking to improve. And because XRP is so liquid, or at least they're trying to get it as liquid as possible, these companies are realizing, well, you need a liquid solution in order to make this a reality through DLT technology. You can't just have cryptos going to and from without the liquidity. If you want to transfer funds, right, for cross-border payments specifically, you're working with different countries, different fiat currencies. It all needs to work, and liquidity is at the crux of this. So we're seeing this here, guys, coming from a longtime Ripple partner, BNP Paribas, looking to move money with their new payment with Ant International. And yeah, here's who it was. It was Ant International deepens their long-term collaboration that started in 2016 with Alipay. So I think it was Alipay that I was thinking has the Ripple partnership, and I'm just rediscovering that Ant International did have a partnership with Alipay. So great news there. Wanted to thank Mike for pointing that out. Even the scholars, guys, are coming out and letting us in on what the new world is going to look like, how the new world is going to look like when it comes to financial technology. This one courtesy of Smoke here, 2024 Fintech Law and Regulation publication. So this is coming out as a book edited by Yelena Madir, Fintech Law and Regulation. This is the 3rd edition. So this is a scholarly manual, I guess. This is what they learn in, economics classes around the United States. Describes that financial institutions are investing in DLT technology, interbank space. And then they say, guys, Ripple is one of the more high-profile systems. Check this out. So in the paper, many financial institutions are investing in the sector, whether by way of bespoke projects, consortia for performances and interbank transfers, or building bespoke customer-facing payment ecosystems. And Ripple, guys, Ripple is one of the more high-profile systems, with more than 300 banks and other payment providers globally signed up to be its enterprise blockchain network, or on their enterprise blockchain network, RippleNet. Ant Financial, so this coincidentally also mentions Ant Financial, partnered with Standard Chartered Bank to launch blockchain cross-border remittance platform Trustable, and Standard Chartered completed the first cross-border live transaction on their platform back in September of 2020. But guys, they mention Ripple here, also mentioning that they are a real-life example of technology disruptors related to finance. So specifically, educating the new generation that this is going to be the future. Here they have examples: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple, Coinbase, distributed ledger technology, and blockchain technologies. Up here, we see a real-life example and technology disruption related to finance. These are high-level publications, says Smoke, that outline the reality of what has yet to come. The trend on the XRP chart is starting to look very, very promising. Perhaps this is the beginning of the euphoria phase. This is when we start to see XRP really move, guys. I'm just hoping we are going to see some real-world utility kick in by the end of this bull run, guys. And for more information on what I'm doing, because it can get a little confusing, I know, you can follow me at patreon.com/workingmoneychannel. It is only $5 a month, and I've kept it affordable for you guys so that you can follow me throughout. I want us all to win this bull run. That's just my opinion. Now, I want to hear what you guys think. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you like the content I'm providing. I always love hearing your comments. See you in the next one, guys.